Good morning. We're out here at Raccoon River Park. It's March 18th, 2019. We're at our accessible fishing pier, and currently it is underwater and has a skim of ice over the top. We expect the place to stay like this for a few more days. Once the river recedes, we'll see this lake level drop fast and we'll be back to normal in no time. This is our gravel trail that goes around the lake and is engineered to come over the trail at this part. The river backs up through these backwaters, eventually makes its way across here and into this lake. That helps prevent additional flooding downstream. As you can see, the trail is mostly gone where the water scoured over the top. We're missing about a foot of material here, and it's going to get worse as you go down there into the center. And as you can see, the water is receding from the lake and into the river. Probably some of the biggest impact park users from this flood is the closing of our dog park at Raccoon River Park. Actually, it looks like the water has receded a couple of feet here from where it was on Friday afternoon. At one point, the water was over the fence completely,